Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this image for a long time ago with 35mm 30 reversal film. And I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna use watercolor image now. Choose watercolor brush. Let's see from her face. I'm gonna paint it on this empty layer. Move over this base image and tone down this base image just a touch. Then see this image also. Turn it on, then change the blend mode to darken and maybe opacity down to about 70%. Now we can see through underneath of the base image also. Okay. Well, change the brush, watercolor wash flat. It's kind of dark, I think. Well, but let's try it. Then change brush. Okay, yeah, I want to go short first. Okay, go here. A little bit dark. Okay. Okay, let's go on this layer. Dried. Some kind of texture we're gonna get. Yeah, that's not bad. Now I go some makeup, add layer, then put some eyebrow, eyes and stuff, lips. Yeah, just a little bit touch. Different layers so it's not gonna ooze. Just touch dark lines. Okay, merge down. Okay, I'm gonna merge down this too. Then let's see, dark area I just drop. Now go for newspaper and pens. Okay, I'm gonna put some colors on the plants and stuff. Here there's no colors, so I'm gonna add a little bit saturated color. Now I'm gonna add base color overall. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Then I'm gonna Now I want to see this. Okay. Not much watercolor in this here, shirt and stuff. Let's see about this layer. If I can emphasize some saturation and stuff. Saturation go up, lightness a little down, oops, little up, only for down this layer. Effect, then turn this base image, affecting this model and plant. Then background is just the way it is, and I'm going to turn up this about 80% base image. Now I have this pencil drawing type, well, 60% now. Change the blend mode, overlay, pin light. Overlay shows much interesting colors, huh? I want to make, let's see, I have overlay 80% light. Well, go for 60 and let's make duplicate layer this one. Then this is overlay now, right? Then I'm going to change this one to darken or multiply. It goes more darker, but opacity up to 100. Now it looks like more illustration. Overlay opacity 60% to get this kind of color. Then plus multiply 50 or darken 100%, or let's see, color burn gets more light, lines darker. Oh, much more linear burn. Okay, go for a linear burn for 1. Now I'm going to create empty mask. Now I'm going to choose basic to soft round opacity. Then on model's face, hide about this much, not much. Dark lines. Okay, this is just dark image, right? Dark pencil drawing type image. Then I have this is the model's color. Just emphasize, just touch, and newspaper. And this is background. This is just settle. Especially this overlay effect makes more interesting illustration type. Yeah, I guess this is it. How about add colors? Okay, over this base image, I'm going to add another layer, then blend mode change to color. Then I want her skin tone to be same soft round opacity. Okay. Now how's this? Light color, illustration type. Let me see if I can mask this outside. Add layer on top. Then let's see, just curious. Watercolor and choose white 100%. Just want to try, see it. Let's see. I'm just adding watercolor, real white. Let's make it bigger. Well, this is kind of, yeah, some kind of watercolor image illustration. Well, that's interesting, huh? Okay, this is it for today, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao!